Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can run Google search campaign for your mobile repairing shop. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do, if you have any video on your YouTube for video promotion, you can collect your video link. Like if you want to promote this video, you just for an example, if you want to promote this video, okay, just copy the link. Here's the link. You don't need to watch the video. Okay. Just suppose this is your story video, okay, and what we have to do, we will go to add account, then we will create a new campaign. Check for letter. Okay, just you need to do click on plus icon, or no, click on plus icon, then new campaign, then we will do for video views, so it will be for awareness and consideration. So video views and new. It's loading, and in this loading time let's do keyword research for your campaign. Okay, let's do keyword research from here. Okay, that service not mobile repair. I will create mobile repair, get result. Okay, no, it will be for English only, and location will be 9001. Just you need to put your zip code here, 9001. Maybe you will not get the here. If you have to do United States. Okay, we did 280 million. Okay, save. Okay, you can see keyword is ready to copy. Just copy. Okay, so now it will be for video views for, okay, mobile repair video views. Okay, target CPC no need to do anything here. Daily budget $20. Okay, and country will be United States. We can follow this, and all perfect. There no need to do anything here. Just scroll down and copy a video link and paste the video link here. Okay, now you can put your website URL, and then here display URL path 1 mobile repair, all perfect. Headline mobile repair. Mobile, if you are looking to get your mobile fixed on time, contact us. All perfect. That's if you click on create campaign, it will be created. All perfect. Now if we continue, it will be live. So this is how you can run campaign for your mobile repair shop. And if you need any kind of campaign or tutorial on any kind of campaign, you can contact us. Okay, and don't forget to like, comment